Once again, the world was facing a disruptive technological revolution. The Goldman Sachs Bank had published a report claiming that if generative AI lived up to its hype, around 300 million jobs would be lost or degraded in the United States and Europe. However, according to Goldman Sachs, automation would also create innovation, leading to new types of jobs, while companies would benefit from cost savings thanks to AI. In fact, deploying their resources toward building and growing businesses would ultimately increase annual global GDP by 7%. The growth of AI would mirror the trajectory of past computer and tech products, the report stated. AI had already shown its power and influence, as witnessed by the success of OpenAI software Chat GPT and DALL-E. Investments in global AI projects had boomed, reaching nearly $94 billion from 2021 to now. If AI continued this growth trajectory, it could add 1% to the US GDP by 2030. However, not everything was rosy. According to an academic research study published by the National Bureau of Economic Research, automation technology had been the primary driver of US income inequality over the past 40 years. Artificial intelligence, robotics, and new sophisticated technologies had caused a vast chasm in wealth and income inequality, which seemed to be accelerating. For now, college-educated white-collar professionals had largely been spared the same fate as non-college educated workers. People with a postgraduate degree saw their salaries rise, while low-education workers declined significantly. The real earnings of men without a high school degree were now 15% lower than they were in 1980. The report stated that many changes in the U.S. wage structure were caused by companies automating tasks that used to be done by people. This included numerically controlled machinery or industrial robots replacing blue-collar workers in manufacturing, or specialized software replacing clerical workers. Truck and cab drivers, cashiers, retail sales associates, and people who worked in manufacturing plants and factories had already been, and would continue to be, replaced by robotics and technology. Driverless vehicles, kiosks in fast food restaurants, and self-help, quick phone scans at stores would soon eliminate most minimum wage and low-skilled jobs. Other organizations and companies, such as the World Economic Forum, PricewaterhouseCoopers, and Wells Fargo, had also expressed their concerns about AI's impact on the workforce. They predicted that smart machines fueled by rapid advances in AI and robotics could potentially replace a large proportion of existing human jobs, contributing up to $15 trillion to global GDP by 2030. However, it would come with a high human cost, and there were concerns that it could displace many existing jobs. Oliver Wyman, a management consulting firm, claimed that the world's most advanced cities were not ready for the disruptions of artificial intelligence, and over 50 million Chinese workers may require retraining as a result of AI-related deployment. The U.S. would be required to retool 11.5 million people in America with the skills needed to survive in the workforce. Millions of workers in Brazil, Japan, and Germany would need assistance with the changes wrought by AI, robotics, and related technology. As AI continued to develop, the report warned of the possible loss of jobs in a variety of sectors, from office administrative support, legal, architecture and engineering, business and financial operations, management, sales, healthcare, and art and design. While AI proponents claimed that there was nothing to worry about, as we had always successfully dealt with new technologies, the report raised concerns about the quality of jobs in the future.